Hey everyone, welcome back to Ramen. If you're looking for a grooming tool that does it all, today's video is for you. We're diving into the Norelco Philips Multigroom Series 7000, the ultimate grooming kit that's perfect for beard, head, hair, body, and even groin grooming. Yep, it's got everything you need for a complete look, without needing blade oil. First things first, let's talk about what makes the Multigroom Series 7000 a powerhouse. This kit comes with 23 pieces designed for precision and versatility. No matter what area you're focusing on, from your beard to your body, this trimmer is ready to tackle it. It's built with a sleek, stainless steel frame that not only looks good but feels sturdy in your hand. And with self-sharpening blades, you're getting a smooth, consistent trim every time, no blade oil needed. Let's talk attachments. Whether you're shaping your beard or cutting your hair, the Multigroom 7000 has you covered. The precision trimmer is perfect for those fine edges and detailing, while the nose and ear trimmer keeps things tidy without irritation. And for those tough areas, like body and groin grooming, this trimmer is gentle but powerful. It's waterproof too, so you can use it in the shower, super convenient. So what sets this trimmer apart? It's got dual cut technology, meaning double the blades for double the performance. The battery life is incredible too, up to 5 hours of cordless use on a single charge. No more mid-trim interruptions, a single charge has you covered. So, who's this grooming kit for? If you want a single tool that's capable of head-to-toe grooming, and you're tired of dealing with blade oil, this is a fantastic choice. It's designed for guys who want precision, flexibility, and durability, all in one package. The Norelco Philips Multigroom Series 7000 is hands down one of the best all-in-one groomers on the market today. If you're ready to up your grooming game, check the link in the description to grab yours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a review or tutorial here on Ramen. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.